Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 2B. Okay, so our running topic is circles. Our running topic is circles. Here, last class already we discussed the general form of the circle and standard form of the circle. What is the general form of the circle, sir? So general form of the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. E is called the general form of the circle equation. Okay, now x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is called the general form of the circle equation. Understand? So and what the center of the circle, sir? Yes, center is equal to their formula is there minus g comma minus f is the center and radius here radius r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus m. Radius of small r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the center of the circle. This is the radius of the circle. Radius of circle small r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. C is called the general form of the circle equation. General form. General form is nothing but సాధారణ రూపం. ఓకేనా? సాధారణ రూపంలో వృత్త సమీకరణం x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. ఓకేనా? Next, standard form of the circle equation. A standard form of the circle. Standard form of the circle. Here x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is nothing but standard form is nothing but ప్రామాణిక రూపం. ప్రామాణిక రూపంలో వృత్త సమీకరణం x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is called the standard form of the circle equation. Understand? Here in this one, what is the center? The center is equal to 0 comma 0. Center of the circle is nothing but 0 comma 0. Here radius is nothing but r. Radius is equal to small. Here in the standard form of the circle equation, center is must be 0 comma 0 and radius is small r. Okay na? So this is already last class we discussed this one. Okay na? So must and should in every circle equation, here the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of y square must and should equal. That is important concept. Okay na? See next to see here some important points we are writing. Some important points. Some important points. So first one, here what is the first equation, sir? So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is called, which one, sir? General equation. General equation. దీని ఏమంటాం? జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ నథింగ్ బట్ సాధారణ రూపం. General equation of the circle with the center minus g comma minus f and the radius small r is equal to the root of g square plus f square minus m. This is called the general form of the circle equation. Okay now? Next we see here second one. See here. So if g square minus f square is equal to 0, if g square minus f square equal to 0, then the circle Then x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c is equal to 0. Represent a point circle. Represent a point circle. So point circle means the radius of the circle is 0 is there. So the circle is called point circle. Okay. So in this one only one point is there. Okay, like this one. This is also circle. Okay, in this one center and point both are same. This is nothing but point circle. Okay. See here, the radius of the circle is written, sir, 0. Okay, now if the radius of circle is 0 is there is nothing but a point circle. Okay, now వృత్త వ్యాసార్థం 0 కాగల వృత్తాన్ని ఏమంటారు సార్? బిందు వృత్తం అంటారు. పాయింట్ సర్కిల్ నథింగ్ బట్ బిందు వృత్తం. వృత్త వ్యాసార్థం 0 కాగల వృత్తాన్ని ఏమంటారు? బిందు వృత్తం అంటారు. ఓకేనా? Third important concept, the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 will be in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. There is nothing but, see here again repeating, the equation of a circle passing through 0, 0 will be in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0. There is nothing but, so like this one. A circle passes through the origin. This is x-axis. This is equal to y-axis. This is the origin. What are the coordinates of the origin? 0, 0. Okay, now a circle passing through the origin. In that case, the general form of the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. Understand? A circle passing through the origin, then the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. Understand? So next one, see here, 0, 0 बिंदु गुंडा పోయే వృత్త సమీకరణం ఏర్పడుతుందాం x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0. Understand? 0, 0 means origin, a circle passing through the origin, 0, 0 nothing but origin will be in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. 0, 0 బిందువు గుండా పోయే వృత్త సమీకరణం యొక్క సాధారణ రూపం x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0. There is constant value not there, c is not there, then the circle must and should pass through the origin. Okay, now next fourth one. Next, fourth important point. So see here, the equation of the circle, the equation of the circle having the center on x-axis, having the center on x-axis will be in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. See here again repeating, the equation of the circle having center on x-axis will be in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay now, ఒక వృత్తం యొక్క కేంద్రం x అక్షం పైన ఉన్నట్లయితే అండర్స్టాండ్ ఒక వృత్తం యొక్క కేంద్రం x అక్షం పైన ఉన్నట్లయితే ఆ వృత్త సమీకరణం సాధారణ రూపం x² + y² + 2gx + c = 0 ఓకేనా see here the equation of circle having the center on x axis will be in the form x² + y² + 2gx + c = 0 see here like this one. This is the center. Your center is equal to -g, 0. Any point lies on x-axis. In the coordinates of the point is nothing but y coordinate is 0. That's why your center is -g, 0. Understand? Center is equal to -g, 0. Understand? So your center lies on, where is the center lies on? Center lies on x-axis. In that case, the circle equation like which one, sir? x² + y² + 2gx + c = 0. Understand? Next, fifth one. The equation of the circle. Here, the equation of the circle having the center on which one, sir? Y axis will be in the form x² + y² here 2fy + c = 0. Understand? See again repeating. The equation of the circle having the center on which one, sir? Y axis will be in the form x² + y² + 2fy + c = 0. Here in this case like this one. This is the origin. This is the x-axis. This is which one, sir? Y-axis. Here like this one. There is a center c is equal to 0, which one, sir? -f. Here 0, what is the value? -f. Here center of the circle lies on, where is the center of circle, sir? Center of the circle lies on y-axis. Understand? See in that case, the equation of the circle having the center on y-axis will be in the form x² + y² + 2fy + c = 0. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆ వృత్త కేంద్రము y అక్షంపై ఉన్నట్లయితే ఆ సందర్భంలో వృత్త సమీకరణం ఏర్పడుతున్నాం x² + y² + 2fy + c = 0. Again repeating, the equation of the circle having the center on y-axis will be in the form x² + y² + 2fy + c = 0. Understand? So next important concept. Concentric circles. So next one, concentric circles. Concentric circles అంటే ఏకకేంద్ర వృత్తాలు. Concentric circles is nothing but ఏకకేంద్ర వృత్తాలు. ఏకకేంద్ర వృత్తాలు. Okay na? So two or more circles having the same center with different radius like this one. So this is the center of the first circle. Here also this is the center of the second circle. Here radius is which one, sir? R1. Here radius is which one, sir? R2. Next here we are taking another circle. This center also same C1. This radius is which one, sir? R3. Understand? Two or more circles having the same center with different radius, then the circles are called concentric circles. Understand? Again repeating. Two or more circles having the same center with different radius, then the circles are called concentric circles. Okay now? ఒకే కేంద్రాన్ని కలిగి ఉన్న విభిన్న వ్యాసార్థాలు గల వృత్తాన్ని ఏమంటాం? ఏకకేంద్రీయ వృత్తాలు అంటారు. ఓకేనా? ఒకే కేంద్రాన్ని కలిగి ఉంది విభిన్న వ్యాసార్థాలు కలిగి ఉన్న వృత్తాన్ని ఏకకేంద్రీయ వృత్తాలు అంటారు. అగైన్ రిపీటింగ్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద కాన్సెంట్రిక్ సర్కిల్ డెఫినేషన్? టూ ఆర్ మోర్ సర్కిల్స్ ఆర్ సెడ్ టు బి కాన్సెంట్రిక్ ఇఫ్ దే హ్యావ్ ద center of the two circles is same. Understand? So the center of the two circles is nothing but same. Then the circles are called concentric circles. Okay now? Next one. So see here. So we have an important concept is there. Suppose, so here there are the two circles are there. See the equation of the first circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is there. This is the equation of which one, sir? First circle. In this case, equation of second circle also like this one same. Only the difference in the constant value x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash is equal to 0. Understand? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash is equal to 0. So only difference is c. There is a which one is sir? C dash. The difference only in the c value only. The two circles have the same centers with different areas. The circles are called sir concentric circles. Okay? Next, unit circle. What is the definition of the unit circle? Unit circle. Now we are discussing the unit circle. What is the definition of the unit circle, sir? A circle having the radius is 1 unit, then the circle is called unit circle. Understand? A circle having the radius is how much, sir? 1 unit, then the circle is called unit circle. If the radius of the circle is 1 unit is there, then the circle is called unit circle. Here we are writing. If the radius of the circle is 1, the radius of circle is 1, then the circle is called unit circle. Understand? So వ్యాసార్థము 1 గల వృత్తాన్ని ఏమంటారు? యూనిట్ వృత్తం అంటారు. వ్యాసార్థం 1 గల వృత్తాన్ని యూనిట్ వృత్తము అంటారు. ఓకేనా? సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ఓకేనా? See which topics are discussed today. See again repeating. So the circle center lies on x-axis. In that case, the general form of the circle is the center of the circle lies on x-axis. In that case, the circle equation like which form? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. The center of the circle lies on x-axis. Suppose the center of the circle lies on y-axis. In that case, the circle equation like which form? X square plus y square plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. In that case, the center of the circle lies on which one, sir? Y-axis. This is the x-axis. Okay. Next, we are discussing our exercise problems. So see here, next question. Find the equation of circle with the center 1,4 and radius 5 mm. Again repeating the question. Find the equation of circle with the center 1,4 and radius 5. Okay? See, here is the 1,4 వృత్త కేంద్రం మరియు వృత్త వ్యాసార్థం 5 గా గల వృత్త సమీకరణం కనుగొనము. ఓకేనా? See a solution. So see here, in our question what is given, sir? Center is equal to 1,4. Center is equal to 1,4. Here radius small r is equal to what is given, sir? 5. This is 1,4 is nothing but which one, sir? H comma k. Center is nothing but h comma k. See here, the equation of the circle. Here the equation of the circle with center h comma k and radius and radius small r is, you have formula is there, x minus h whole square plus your y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Okay now, so we have formula is there, the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius small r is, what is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So like this one, here center C is equal to, what is given sir? Here 1 comma 4 and radius small r is equal to, what is given? 5 is given. In that case, now we are finding the equation of circle. Which formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. And x minus h is equal to 1 whole square plus here y minus k, y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square is nothing but 5 square. Now here x minus 1 whole square we are expanding. X square minus 2x plus 1. Understand? X square minus 2x plus 1 plus here y square 2ab. Like this is which form sir? A minus b whole square 2ab. 2y into 4. Here 8y plus 16 is equal to 5 square is equal to 25. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square 4 into 8y 4 square is equal to 16 is equal to 25. That is nothing but x square plus y square here minus 2x minus 8y 1 plus 16, what is the value? 17 minus 25 is equal to 0. This is nothing but x square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y plus 17 minus 25. Plus 17 minus 25 is equal to 0. That is nothing but minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle with center which one sir? 1 comma 4 and radius how much sir? 5 units. Okay now? Radius how much sir? 5 units. Square plus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the given equation of circle. This one compare with which one sir? What is the general form of circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is nothing but general form of the circle equation. Here this equation compared with this one, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to, what is the value? 2. Here 2f is equal to minus 4. Here c is equal to, what is the value? Minus 4. 2g is equal to 2, 2f is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 4. Here g is equal to 2 by 2. How much sir? 1. G is equal to 1. F is equal to minus 4 by 2. That is nothing but f is equal to minus 2. Here c is equal to minus 4. We have formula is there. Center is equal to minus g comma minus f. Center is equal to minus g comma minus f. Then g is equal to 1 is there. Minus g, that's why minus 1. Minus f is equal to minus 2. Minus r minus 2 plus 2 of. Center is equal to minus 1 comma 2. And radius. What is the radius sir? Radius small r is equal to the root of g square plus f square minus c. Our formula is g square plus f square minus c. Small r is equal to the root of g square here minus 1 whole square f square. If g is equal to, what is the value sir? Only g square is there. G is equal to 1 square. Here f square is equal to minus 2 whole square minus c. C is equal to, what is the value? Minus 4. Okay now? R is equal to the root of 1 square is equal to 1. Minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Minus r minus 4 plus 4. Totally 9 number. Root 9 is equal to, what is the value of 3. Therefore, the center of the circle is minus 1 comma 2 and radius of the circle is 3. Okay na? So all of you students write down this one. Dear students, master should maintain one fair notebook. Okay now? Listen all carefully. Master should maintain one fair notebook. For maths a separate book and maths be also separate book. Okay na? So all of you write down this question, this answer. Okay? Completed. Next question. See same question. Find the center and radius of the circle. Here 3x square. Here we are finding 3x square plus 3y square. 3x square plus 3y square. Here minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay now? So in the next question, which one sir? Find the center and radius of the circle. Question that is x square 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Next question that is find the center and radius of the circle. This equation. Here observe this one. What is the given equation? Here given equation is which one sir? Here 3x square plus 3y square. Here minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. The given equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. This is not in the general form. General form means x square plus y square. There is x quotient is there, y quotient is there. That's why this equation dividing with 3 on both sides. Here we are doing dividing with which one sir? 3 on both sides. Dividing with 3 on both sides. That is nothing but here 3x square by 3 plus 3y square by 3 here minus 6x by 3 plus 4y by 3 minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0 by 3. Here 3 cancel. Okay now? So what we get is x square plus y square. 3 1 the 3 2 the. That's why minus 2x plus 4 by 3 into y minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4 by 3 into y minus 4 by 3 equal to 0. Like this is the general form. Above equation compare with which one sir? Here compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to what is the value of 2g? Minus 2. X square plus y square 2g is nothing but minus 2 comma 2f is nothing but 4 by 3. 2f is equal to 4 by 3. Here c is equal to what is the value? Minus 4 by 3. We want g value. G is equal to, so minus 2 by 2 that is equal to minus 1. G is equal to what is the value? Minus 1. Here f is equal to 4 by 2 into 3 what is the value? 6. Otherwise here we can do directly 2 1 the 2 2 the. F is equal to what is the value? 2 by 3. C is equal to minus 4 by 3. C is equal to what is the value? Minus 4 by 3. Here center of the circle. Here center is equal to minus g comma minus f. What is the formula? Center of circle is equal to minus g comma minus f. Here minus g. G is equal to minus 1 is there. Minus g is equal to minus of minus 1 plus 1. F is equal to 2 by 3 is there. Minus f is nothing but here minus 2 by 3. Center is equal to 1 comma minus 2 by 3. And radius. What is the radius sir? Radius small r is equal to the root of g square plus f square minus cm. So nothing but g square. G is equal to what is the minus 1 whole square plus f square. F is equal to 2 by 3 whole square minus cm. Minus of minus 4 by 3. Then we are getting plus 4 by 3m. Here under root of minus 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4 by 9 plus 4 by 3m. Here now what is the LCM value, sir? 9 is the LCM value. Here 9 plus 4 plus here dividing with 3 is the 9. So remaining value 3 value 3 into 4 12. Okay now. So 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 9 25 and the root of 25 by 9 that is equal here what is the remaining value 5 by 3 and the root of 25 by 9 is there and the root of 25 is equal to 5 root 9 is equal to 3 and what is the radius is equal to 5 by 3 center is equal to 1 comma minus 2 by 3 okay na so write down the notes. Next one, see here. Find the equation of a circle whose center is minus 1 comma 2 and which passes through 5 comma 6. చూడమ్మా minus 1 comma 2 వృత్త కేంద్రం మరియు 5 comma 6 గుండా పోయే వృత్త సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. ఓకేనా? So see here, solution. What is given, sir? Find the equation of circle whose center is minus 1 comma 2 and which passes through which one 5 comma 6. Suppose this is our coordinate system, this is the origin, this is x axis, this is which one, sir? Y axis. Center is which one, sir? Minus 1 comma 2. That's why center lies on must know which coordinate? Second coordinate. This is the origin. Like this one, this is the center here we are taking. Center is nothing but here. Which one, sir? Minus 1 comma 2 is the center. Okay now? So this circle passes through which one, sir? 5 comma 6. Okay now? Circle passes through 5 comma 6. Center is minus 1 comma 2. Here the given point we are taking P is equal to 5 comma 6. The point is 5 comma 6. Center is minus 1 comma 2. And the circle passes through which point? 5 comma 6. Okay now? Here see the solution. Given that what is given, sir? Center C is equal to what is given? Minus 1 comma 2. Let P is equal to which one, sir? 5 comma 6. P is a point on the circle. P is a point on the circle. So observe this one. So the point, the center to the point on the circle, this is nothing but CP is equal to which one, sir? Radius. So the distance from center to the point on the circle is nothing but radius. Understand? The distance from center to point on the circle is nothing but which one, sir? Radius. That's why here CP is equal to which one, sir? R. So we are finding small r value we are finding. So C is equal to what is there? Minus 1 comma 2. P is equal to what, sir? 5 comma 6. Small r is equal to the distance between the 2 points C and P. Which formula we are using? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Small r is equal to here 5 minus r minus 1 plus 1 whole square. x2 minus x1. x1 is equal to minus 1. 5 minus r minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is 6 minus 2 whole square. R is equal to 5 plus 1 6. 6 square is equal to 36. 6 minus 2 4. 4 square is equal to 16. 36 plus 16 52. Whatever value of small r, here small r is equal to under root of 52. Here center is there, radius is there. Center minus 1 comma 2, radius what is the value? Under root of 52. Now we are finding the equation of the circle. Here see here. So the equation of the circle with center. What is the center of circle? Minus 1 comma 2 and radius radius how much is sir? Under root of 52 is. We are using which formula? X minus h whole square plus your y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here x minus h is equal to here what is the minus 1 comma 2 is there. H is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 x plus 1 whole square. Here y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square. R is equal to root 52 and the root of 52 whole square. Here square root to cancel. X plus 1 whole square is nothing but x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square 2ab. Here minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 52. So nothing but x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y. 1 plus 4 plus 5 minus 52 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 5 minus 52 is equal to 0. This is nothing but here. Now we are simplifying this one. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 5 minus 52 minus 47 is equal to 0 is the required circle equation. Required circle equation. See the required circle equation. Okay now? All of right on this one? Okay? All of right on this one? So thank you students. Next class will be continued tomorrow.